how deep this is. Got my waders on, bundled up awful tight. There's a winter storm out here, literally. I mean, wow, a bunch of snow, bunch of snow. Just snowing like crazy. Guess I'm gonna make a 2-mile hike to the gas station and back. Mile there, mile back. Really not quite 2 miles. At least there's some tracks to walk in. Man, that's crazy. And then tonight and tomorrow are supposed to be minus 30-degree wind chills, which it's supposed to do that all the way across the central states. I wonder what the highway's like up here. Wish I had my old Jeep, like this Jeep Cherokee Laredo up here. Just put her in 4-wheel drive and go. Sure do miss that old thing. Gonna have to get me another one. Well, I'll have a little look down the road. Well, they got the roads plowed, but boy, that wind sure is brutal. Pretty deep in the snow, otherwise about a foot, but hopefully I'm keeping most of that wind kind of blocked. It ain't too bad out until you had your glove off for too long or your face exposed for a little while. Probably got icicles growing on my mustache. Beard sure comes in handy this time of year. It's gonna be a little while before we can do any hunting in Missouri now. Yeah, next weekend's supposed to come in the 40s. Here comes someone down the road. It's probably about the 11th car I've seen. I bet every time someone passes me, they're probably thinking, man, that guy's crazy. What the heck's he doing walking? Phew. Finally found a spot down off out of the wind a little bit. Man, I guess snow sure is getting thick on some of the trees now. There's a big old winter wonderland. I guess the one good thing I like to see about the snow is it brings much nitrogen needed for the morels come April. Yep. Well, hope everyone stays warm out there and pray for a warm spell come in. Make this stuff go away. It's an Arctic blast all the way across the country, I guess. Gonna be minus 30 wind chills tonight, tomorrow. Crazy. But I pretty much stayed warm, except for when I had my gloves off, my hands get cold. So we'll quit yakking, get off here. Just want to say howdy to everybody. And I should have a couple in-house videos coming up soon. I've been wanting to make a 2013 Best of the Finds review. But we'll get off here. We're going to go inside and eat some hot chili.